Hey everyone, it's the first of the month and my hair is growing out like crazy. Oops. What did I get in my thumb here? Oopsie. Okay, I'm right under the light over here. I'm gonna comb through this. It's growing out real big now. I've completely stopped minoxidil. I never use finasteride or Propecia or anything. That was said that can get birth defects to children, and I'm having a baby, a very healthy baby, so luckily I didn't do that. So here we go. Let's take a look at my hair. It's really grown out now. I dyed it a couple months ago. Looks like the gray is coming back in now. I haven't used minoxidil since September last year is when I got off it. I didn't notice any hair fall in the beginning. Then I noticed some hair fall like after 3-4 months. And a little slower growth in hair. But now it seems to be like my hair's regrowing back. Like it's looking better and thicker recently, and less of the hair fall again, which is good. So I figured I'm thicker on the sides, it's growing out pretty long. Yeah, so let's see what the results are without minoxidil. I think it took maybe a few months for the minoxidil stuff to kind of wear out. But now hair is growing back in. I can see all the gray hair. That's definitely all newly grown hair. I'm getting some in the front over here. I don't know if you can see all that, which is great. So, I mean, I'm getting it even way over here, which I never grew hair. I don't know, it's so strange actually. But I have been more relaxed and eating a lot better. My wife's been feeding me a lot better, so maybe that is contributing to it as well. A lot more protein in my diet. Yeah. And I think next month, when I do this video, June 1st, we will have a new member to the family that you guys will all be seeing. Very excited about that. So stay tuned for that video. This is what my hair is looking like. Okay, it's under really bright light over there also, so it's not normally how much light is hitting it, but yeah, that's looking good. It's been now, let's see, the first hair transplant I got was 2013, let's say September 1st, about. So I don't know the math there. What is that? 7 years, 8 years now, almost. Yeah, 8 years. So it's still holding strong, looking good. Completely off minoxidil. I don't use anything in my hair except just water, shampoo once in a while, and that's about it. I'd say comb back. I would say it's holding up quite well without minoxidil. I'm pretty sure all my natural regular hair that was on top is falling out. This is probably all just hair transplanted hair now. If it wasn't for COVID, which happened last year, I was planning to go to Turkey and get my hairline done, maybe make the rest thicker even, but now COVID, I didn't go, and I have no idea how travel is. I've traveled, but every country's changing every day with new restrictions and airlines and stuff, and God knows what, and I just have not had time to look at all of that. So that is that. Leave your comments, concerns, questions, anything you want, and I will be happy to answer them as usual. Definitely the side of my hair and back still grow out very thick. But yeah, that's what it's looking like. It's all around here. I'll get this here. Oops, it's very tough to do this. I should have my wife just hold the camera. Maybe next month. Alrighty, see you guys next month.